Hey there, aspiring affiliate marketers. Welcome to the exciting world of affiliate marketing, where you can earn passive income by promoting products and services you love. In this video, we'll dive into the essential tips and strategies to help you build a successful affiliate marketing business. Whether you're just starting out or looking to boost your existing efforts, we've got you covered. So grab your favorite beverage, get comfortable, and let's unlock the secrets to affiliate marketing success. Section 1. Understanding affiliate marketing. What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is a performance-based marketing model where you promote other businesses' products or services in exchange for a commission on each sale. How it works. You partner with affiliate networks or companies directly, obtain unique affiliate links, and promote these products to your audience. When a visitor clicks on your link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. Section 2. Choosing your niche and products. Choosing a niche. Selecting a niche that aligns with your interests and knowledge is crucial. Focus on a specific topic you're passionate about. Finding high-quality products. Prioritize products that solve real problems for your target audience. Look for products with a good reputation, positive customer reviews, and a solid return policy. Choosing affiliate networks. Popular affiliate networks like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, ShareASale, and CJ Affiliate provide a wide range of products to promote. Section 3. Building your audience and content. Building a website or blog. A website or blog is a valuable asset for affiliate marketing. It allows you to create engaging content, build trust with your audience, and promote your affiliate links effectively. Creating valuable content. Focus on creating high-quality content that educates, entertains, and solves problems for your audience. Building an email list. An email list is crucial for nurturing leads, promoting your affiliate offers, and building lasting relationships with your audience. Section 4. Effective promotion strategies. Content marketing. Use blog posts, articles, social media posts, videos, and other forms of content to promote your affiliate products. Search engine optimization, SEO. Optimize your website or blog content to rank higher in search engine results pages, SERPs, increasing organic traffic. Social media marketing. Leverage social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter to promote your affiliate links and engage with your audience. Paid advertising. Consider using paid advertising channels like Google Ads or social media advertising to reach a larger audience. Section 5. Measuring success and tracking results. Setting goals. Define clear goals for your affiliate marketing efforts, such as earning a certain amount of revenue or reaching a specific number of sales. Using analytics tools. Track your affiliate marketing performance using analytics platforms like Google Analytics or affiliate network dashboards. Analyzing results. Regularly review your data to identify what's working well and areas for improvement. Make adjustments to your strategies as needed. Section 6. Ethical considerations. Transparency. Always disclose your affiliate relationships to maintain trust with your audience. Use clear language like affiliate link or sponsored content to indicate when you are promoting a product or service. Honest reviews. Provide genuine reviews and recommendations based on your honest experience with the products you promote. To conclude, affiliate marketing can be a rewarding way to earn passive income and build a successful online business. By following these tips and strategies, you can increase your chances of success in this competitive field. Remember, it's about building a genuine audience, providing value, and promoting products and services that truly benefit your readers. Get started today, and let's build your affiliate marketing empire.